We're here at the Triveni Center in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. Look at this neat glass elevator. This looks like a pretty boring building, but I wouldn't have expected something like this. It's an old General from the 80s. Here it comes. It's about to come down. Oh, just press the inside button. It's cool. Got the two. Here we go up. It's cool. Very 80s, but I think it's supposed to look like a banquet hall. I'm not sure if there's any offices in here. Too. Go back number one. No phone. Oiltronic, but it's a Hadfield Oiltronic elevator. I have never seen that before. It's a basic pink cab. We're expecting this to be a Reliance, but I'm not sure if they're served Allegheny County. It's interesting. Here we go. One. The heater keeps clicking. Yeah, I think it's just the banquet hall. How cold is it now? It's going to be at 2 drop keys.